Today we're drawing a cupcake with bunny ears. Watch this. Hi, it's QJO. Welcome to my channel. Let's draw. First, draw a big U shape. 2 sides going down, then a smooth curved bottom. Think of it like a tiny cupcake cup waiting for snacks. Next, add a wavy line across the top. Keep the bumps nice and even, like little scoops. Now draw another smaller wavy line underneath. This makes the wrapper look layered and real. Then draw tall lines going down the wrapper. Let them curve a little to match the cup shape. Congrats! Your cupcake just got a fancy outfit. Time for the frosting! Draw a big fluffy mound on top, like a soft cloud. Then add a swirly band wrapping across the front. Keep going. Add sprinkles with little circles. Scatter them around so it looks cute and random. Not too many, unless you're summoning sprinkle rain. Finally, bunny ears! Draw 2 long ears popping out from the frosting. Add a smaller inner ear inside each one. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!